There is a number of platforms where you can apply for transcription jobs. As you know, this job has the benefit that you can work from home, or you can do the remote work wherever you are with Wi-Fi or internet connection. And you can do it whenever you have spare time, which is very flexible. Everybody knows that this job does not require any skill and any experience at all, which means no skills, no experience required. If you start a transcription job from the platform that I introduced today, you can earn money online. Am I too close? Before I start, please subscribe and get more information from my channel. I will much appreciate your comment down below as well. Thank you very much. Hi, I'm Peter Park, online side hustler. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to introduce the 6 best transcription platforms that you can try and earn money online. There are so many transcription platforms you can check, but I have previously checked more than 20 websites. I checked more than 20 websites. That's a lot. Some websites are available. The others are not available. Why I'm making this video? Because I hope to save your time to apply for the transcription jobs based on the platforms I introduced. I'm so good, right? Sorry, I'm kidding. These 6 websites are proven by me that I at least approach them and check whether or not they hire freelancers and availability for transcription job. I know everybody's opinions are different, so don't get me wrong. Anyway, let's get started. First is GoTranscript.com. If you go to GoTranscript.com, you can find the menu down below. There is a menu called for transcriptionist. You can click work and it shows like that. You can see transcription jobs available worldwide. Yes, it does. There is information how much money you can earn. Up to 0.6 USD per audio or video minute, and 150 USD is average earnings per month. 1,215 USD is top monthly earnings. If you click apply now, here is apply now. There are a number of languages available too. So if you are not native English speaker, you can try other languages if it is suitable for your mother tongue. This is good. Second is Transcribeme.com. If you go to Transcribeme.com, you can find a menu called job either on the head or bottom. If you click job menu, you end up with this page saying transcription job, get paid, working from home. If you see that, you are on the right page. In terms of monetization, it is said that we have the industry's best rates with earnings starting at 15 and 22 USD per audio hour and top monthly earnings at 2,200. Average monthly earnings are 250 USD. I see around, but there's no more information about other languages. Yeah. Third is Transcribeme.com. If you go to Transcribeme.com, you can see that this website is recently renewed. Oh, you can compare before and after website design. I'm going to show you. The before and after looks like that. So where's the menu about transcription job? You go down and find join Transcribeme as a transcriber. Yes, here. There is a get started button. Once you click on get started button, you will end up with freelance transcription, and it is said that work at your convenience and earn 5 to 20 USD per audio hour. And I can see down there is an earning calculator per month. If you go down a bit in this page, you can expect how much money you earn per month, and that is a time based for how much hour you contribute. If you contribute 1 hour per day, you will earn 100 USD per month. It is something like that. Fourth is GMR Transcription. If you go to GMR Transcription, you can go to career on the head, and you will see transcribe better, earn better. That is the right page for you. About earnings, GMR Transcription said our transcriptionists and translators typically earn between 1,000 to 3,000 per month. It is depending on their skills and the kind and the type of work they take. Okay. You go down to here saying current job openings, so that you can apply for either general transcription or certified translator. I think there is a Spanish language available, so GMR Transcription is only available for 2 languages, English and Spanish. And also, I figured out you have to be aware that GMR Transcription is only available for US-based applicant, and should submit resume as well. Okay, let's move on. Fifth is rev.com. If you go to rev.com, it will show you like this. You go down to the website. There is a become a freelancer or freelancer menu on the bottom. You can either click learn more or freelancer. After that, you will see web freelance jobs let you work from anywhere. That is where you have to be. Okay. There are transcriptionists and captioner showing different earning rates. For transcriptionist, 0.3 to 1.1 USD per audio and video minute. For captioner, 0.5 to 1.1 USD per audio video minute. It seems captioner looks like earning more money, and I see if you apply for transcriptionist or captioner, only few countries are available. For example, Australia and Canada, India, Ireland, Mexico, Netherlands, New Zealand, South Africa, United Kingdom, and United States, except for California. I don't know. maybe because of text. And you can see down here there are a number of foreign languages available too, as similar as GoTranscript.com. So you can check this out. Last is Castingwords. You can go down to the freelancer menu on the bottom. Once I click on this, it shows transcribing made flexible and convenient. There is no earning information in the details. And there's button register or login now. Once I click on this, you will jump into login and signs up page. Just one thing that you have to be aware: Castingwords is available for US based only, but it's not as strict as GMR Transcription because there's no resume required. I introduced the 6 best transcription platforms for work from home. If you know more information than me, you can leave your comment down below. I will really appreciate it. Actually, there is one more website called Puppet, but I figured out there's no more hiring freelancers at all. So I didn't add the best transcription platform on the list. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you see my video is useful and informative, please give me thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below and leave your comment as well. I will come back to you with more useful information, and I will really appreciate for your support. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.